पर एक बात याद रखना, नाम बदलने से रावण राम नहीं बन जाता, जैसे लेबल बदलने से लेवल नहीं बदलता।
महाठगबंधन के रावण का दहन किया जाता है, चयन नहीं, देश हित में जारी।
In a major show of support for Palestine, India on Friday voted in favor of the resolution to admit Palestine as a full United Nations member, recommending that the UNSC reconsider the matter favorably. While voting in favor of Palestinian statehood, India urged the UNSC Council to reconsider the matter in favor of a war-wrecked country. The UNSC overwhelmingly passed the resolution in support of Palestinian membership, granting new privileges to the Palestinian Authority in its current capacity as a non-member observer state. The resolution won a resounding majority of 143 votes, including the vote of India. However, 25 members abstained from voting while 9 nations voted against the resolution. For the unversed, India was the first non-Arab nation to reconsider the Palestine Liberation Organization as the sole and legitimate representative of the Palestinian people in 1974. Additionally, India was also among one of the first countries to recognize the state of Palestine in 1988. Nevertheless, it is essential to note that though India fully supports Palestine, it strictly condemns the Hamas terror group, which launched the brutal attack against Israel on October 7 last year, killing dozens and taking over hundreds of people as hostages. Meanwhile, high-voltage drama unfolded in UNSC when Israel's ambassador to the UN shredded a copy of the United Nations Charter in a strong display of outrage, stating that the day will go down in infamy. Describing the passing of the resolution as an immoral act, Erdem criticized the UN Assembly for voting in favor of Palestine's statehood, calling it a destructive vote.
UN Charter, the sacred document which serves as the foundation of everything we are supposed to do here, is being trampled upon. It is being thrown out the window. You are spitting on the very values that were formulated to bind this organization. With today's destructive resolution, you are circumventing the Security Council, ignoring its decision, and violating the norms this organization has about.
Similarly, the passage in favor of Palestine was also condemned by Israel's External Affairs Minister, Israel Katz, who stated that it is an absurd decision that highlights the structural bias of the UN and rewards the actions of Hamas on October 7. What is imperative to note here is the fact that while India strongly condemned the brutal atrocities inflicted upon Israel by the Hamas terrorists dominating Palestine's Gaza Strip, the country remains committed to a two-state solution for Palestinians and Israel, acknowledging the fact that innocent Palestinians cannot be punished for the crime committed by Hamas terrorists. India's permanent representative to the UN, Ruchira Kamboj, recently spoke on the same line, emphasizing that only a two-state solution would allow Palestinian people to live freely within secure borders with due regard to Israel's security needs.
India is committed to supporting a two-state solution where the Palestinian people are able to live freely in an independent country within secure borders with due regard to the security needs.